guys, the garbage truck is here. And by the way, just for fun, I'm just gonna film like this because I feel like it will be a cool view. So yeah, like I'm filming sideways, not upwards with my phone. I'm using a camera. Oh, there it is. Wow. Oh, it's freezing cold out here. Oh. Alright, well guys, I'll see you guys at 2427 comes by here. So I'll see you guys in the meantime. Alright guys, the garbage truck is here. Alright, there it is. Yeah! Let's go! Actually, it was filmed like this. Wow! That's a good shot right there. A bin fell over. I just like that sound when it does that. I just like it. I'm gonna go over here. Film the garbage truck. There it is. And by the way, all of my videos are like kind of like home recycling and trash or like trash. They're just like home videos and like yeah. That's but some videos I would just post like outside of Peoria because there's a lot of garbage trucks that I can see normally. So yeah. Beep. Got it right there. Yo. The lid saver. Boom. How every time it correctly. Boom! Perfect, huh? Yeah! Oh, so that was actually a good view. Yeah! Thank you! Woo! You got more! That was a fast buy. So they're my stickers. This is so good. Oh, that was actually a wet dump. Because of the rain that was here yesterday. Oh, I just love that click. I like that boom noise. Perfect. That was a perfect. Here it goes. Alright, well guys, I'll see you guys in the next week, or I could show you a video of my mom posting garbage truck, but that would be just like, she doesn't really see it, like, although like actually she doesn't see it that much. So I'll see you guys in the next week. Bye guys.